What's up, boys, and welcome to another trade recap video. And I'll show how I got the break-even trade from. Yeah, this is the break-even trade. So let's talk about a little about today's price action. So right before market opened, we were somewhere over here, yeah, on 4 hour. My bias was bullish. My bias was bullish because we broke the structure to the upside. You will see it right here, and the candle closes. Yeah, okay. We broke the structure, as you can see, from the up. So my initial thoughts were we were going to target this unfilled 4 hour gap over here. That was my thought process. So and then maybe some continuation from there, but obviously that didn't happen. Okay, so right before market opened, as we can see, we shoot straight up, almost taking my drops of liquidity over here. That was a 4 hour parallel gap, and I didn't caught any entries, like none of it, like you see, none of it. So I waited until 10 a.m. for new 4 hour candle to open, close lower, manipulate lower, and maybe go in a 50-minute parallel gap. And that happened right here. Where is it? I think, yeah, right here it opened. So now I waited for highest time frame inversion, and I think that was 2 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. It was 2 minutes the highest time frame inversion when it happened. Let's see. Yeah, that one, and this candle closed. So my initial thoughts were, okay, we are super premium, like very premium. We're even not in equilibrium range. So I wanted us to at least come let's say maybe over here to this range, to this 50-minute fair value gap, and then tap the equilibrium and then shoot up. But obviously we didn't get that. So when this candle closed, when this fair value gap closed, I entered right here, pretty tight stop loss all the way here, and I was tagging the, as I said, 50-minute fair value gap that was unfilled. My break even was this internal low here. This was my break even point, because if price took that, there can be a reaction to the upside. So as I said, we continued to go down. We took this internal low, then I moved my stop loss to break even, and it was a risk-free trade. And then the price stopped me out before hitting my as you can see, before hitting my take profit all the way here. So I'm not mad, I followed my rules. So for me the trade was, I would say, pretty good. I would say the trade was pretty good because we were hella premium. So we need to see some imbalances get filled. But the trade didn't hit my take profit. But the most important thing is it didn't hit my stop loss. I managed my trade very well. So it doesn't really matter that he might take profit, but because I followed my rules, I didn't lose, and that's the most important thing. And one thing I want to say, I think this was one of the worst days of this month because there wasn't any single entries other than this one. As you can see, was just ranging. Yeah, just ranging. Didn't even receive the high. Yeah, we just received it now, like 5 hours ago when the market opens. Yeah, so yeah, we swapped it right now when I'm filming this video. Yeah, so yeah, I think this is the worst price action of this month. But what can we do? We follow rules. That's why you need to manage your trades carefully. I mean, carefully, but you need to follow your rules. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and like and comment if you want me to make my trading strategy and how so you can see I have 80% win rate with the lower 75 I think. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you guys tomorrow on the next trading video.